In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write and send an email in Gmail. Whether you're new to email or just need a refresher, I'll walk you through each step, ensuring you feel confident and comfortable by the end. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to mail.google.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to sign in with your Gmail account. Enter your email address and password as prompted. If you're already logged in, Gmail will take you directly to your inbox. Once you're in your inbox, look towards the top left corner of the screen for the Compose button. This button initiates the process of writing a new email. A new message window will pop up, typically at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now let's start filling in the details of your email. First, find the To field. This is where you'll type the recipient's email address. Be sure to double check for any typos, as an incorrect email address will prevent your message from reaching its intended recipient. Next, move on to the Subject field, which is right above the body of your message. This is where you provide a short description of your email's topic. It's like a headline and it helps the recipient understand the email's purpose before reading the entire message. Aim for clarity and brevity here. In the large blank space below the subject line, type out the body of your message. This is where you'll express the main content of your email. Whether it's a simple hello, a detailed report, or anything in between, write as much as you need to communicate your thoughts clearly. As you type, you might want to add a personal touch to your message or include additional content. Below the message, there's a toolbar that allows you to format your text, to make words bold, italicized, or underlined, and to add links. You can even insert images or attach files to your email. This adds depth and context to your communication, making it more engaging and informative. Once you have everything ready and you're satisfied with the content, it's time to send your email. Look for the blue Send button located at the bottom of the message window. One click and your message will be on its way. Before we wrap up, let's explore some bonus features. If you need to send copies of the email to others, use the CC or BCC options located on the right side of the To field. This is particularly useful for keeping additional parties informed without making them primary recipients. And here's a handy tip. After you've sent your email, Gmail provides an undo option for a few seconds. This is a lifesaver if you quickly realize you need to make a change, or if you accidentally sent the email too soon. That's all there is to it. With these easy steps, you'll be sending Gmail emails like a pro. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.